Let's solve for x and round to the nearest tenth. Start with question number 18. Juan, what should we do first?
Label starting at the degree.
Yep. Help us label the sides for us, please. This one is
opposite. That's the hypotenuse.
And this one?
Adjacent.
Partner A, tell partner B, which one do we not need and which trig function is it? Sophie, which one do we not need? And that leads us which trig function?
Sine.
Yep. Sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Sophie, go ahead and fill in all the information that we have. So repeat.
13 over 27.
Yep.
Sine x.
Partner B, tell partner A, what do you do next? Melissa, what do we do here? The inverse. Melissa, if someone was absent, like all those empty seats right there, right? And they came in and say, what did you learn yesterday? What symbol is the inverse? -1 is correct. Sine of -1 of 13 over 27 equals our x, right? We're switching places. The 13 over 27 comes over here, x comes over here, and this is your switch. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is like an on and off switch, right? When you switch them, then you take on or off that -1. Let's put in our calculator. Remember, inverse of sine. This button is not the inverse of sine. Sine of -1 in the back, or the blue is. So sine of -1, or the inverse of sine. 13 divided by 27. I want degrees, so it's in degree mode. And if you round to the nearest tenth, your answer is? X is approximately 28.8 degrees. Raise your hand if you got that. Alright, let's do the next one. Partner A, tell partner B how to label this. And then the other person, I want you to fill in your sentence frame. You guys have 30 seconds. Ready, set, go.
The bottom one's opposite the one close to the I believe it's tangent though.
Annalie, what's our starting position? Not here. Maria Bellin, what is our starting point? Before I label all the sides? X. And from X, this side is called the... Remember, you're going across, so that'll be the opposite. This one? Yes. And this one? Adjacent. Maria Bellum, which side do I not need? Let's cross that off. And Maria Bellum, which trig function? Tangent is correct. Opposite over the adjacent. So help me fill this out. There it is. Job. Jonathan V. What do we do next? Let's switch them. There's a pink pen. Jonathan V, tell me what to write. Super important, guys. I know the students who made mistakes in the past are going to write tangent 27.8 and they're going to get a decimal. Like 0.65 whatever, or 1 point something, right? Put in your calculator. Jocelyn, when did you get your answer?
73.5.
Let's try it. Nice. So, in review of this problem, are we finding sides or angles, class? We're finding angles, and in angles, do you have to use inverse or don't have to use inverse? We have to use the inverse to find angles.